the scheme say it'll help make people in vulnerable areas feel safer. Janine Jansen has the details.
Patrolling the streets, keeping the community safe. These wardens are part of a pilot scheme being tested in 3 housing estates in St Blazey. The wardens are specially trained by the police and they have a secret weapon up their sleeves. These pocket cameras will be used to take pictures of damage, vandalism and could be used in court as evidence.
You have to be multi-skilled in this job, I would think, dealing with children. We're here late at night until 9 in the evening and dealing with the kids and their issues that they've got, and also the local tenants as well, you know, with noise nuisance and abandoned cars.
The wardens have been welcomed by the local community.
It gives the old people extra protection at night, just knowing that somebody's actually walking the streets until 9 o'clock. Also, they can keep an eye on the children, which gives parents the added comfort that there's somebody out watching out for the children as well.
But the best thing about this scheme is that the wardens work with the people.
Our residents have been surveyed recently and they've said that litter is a real issue for them and they'd like the areas that they live in to be as clean and tidy as possible. So the wardens will be doing that as well. And then on top of that, that brings the area up. It means people own the area and are proud of the area.
And for the wardens, there's no shortage of work to do.
Any sort of fly tipping, and that can be cars, tyres, gas bottles, anything that we see that shouldn't be there, then we will try and take it away. So I've got a camera that I can film them with. It's a video cam. It does video, it also takes still photographs. So anything I see, I can actually log it.
It was feared some people might feel intimidated by the cameras, but that's not the case.
Because if you can tell them what's happened today, they can come back tomorrow, take a photo, the evidence is gone. So at least with the carrying cameras, the evidence is going to be there on film straight away.
Residents say the wardens have already given their estates a boost and helped lift their morale.
Later